The world today has accepted that India's military action through Operation Sindoor is a comprehensive and total military success. It was precise, it was non-escalatory, but at the same time it had devastating effects on the enemy. All of these years, no cost was paid by Pakistan for their misadventures. But since 2014, the new normal has changed, and if Pakistan dares to attack India, they will have to not bear the brunt of one eye for both the eyes, not one tooth for another tooth, but both the eyes for one eye, the whole jaw for one tooth. This is the new normal that Bharat has established. Madam Speaker, इससे पहले जब भी भारत मिलिट्री एफर्ट के माध्यम से अचीवमेंट हासिल किए थे, हम डिप्लोमेटिकली ऑन द डिस्कशन टेबल हमने उसको स्क्वैंडर कर दी। कई सारे उदाहरण इतिहास 1948 में जिसका उल्लेख कई बार आया, आवर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस हैड ब्रीच्ड द एलओसी and all of what is today known as Pak occupied Kashmir was in our control. But it was this Congress party and its leadership of that time that surrendered all of Pak occupied Kashmir. What military achievement we had gained, we squandered on the diplomatic table. 1965 में भी वही हुई, 1971 में भी वही हुई. But the difference this time is the military achievement that we achieved in Operation Sindoor was crystallized and strengthened through our diplomatic onslaught that was led by the multi-party delegations and effectively led by the Prime Minister and the External Affairs Minister. मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देना चाहता हूँ. आज यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका ने TRF को डेसिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूप में प्रोस्क्राइब कर दिया है. मैं उस डेलीगेशन में पार्ट था जिसमें शशांक जी भी मेरे साथ थे, शशि जी के नेतृत्व में. हम कोलंबिया हैड गिवन अ स्टेटमेंट इन सपोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. आफ्टर आवर इंटरवेंशन, कोलंबिया विथड्रॉ इट्स स्टेटमेंट एंड गेव अ स्टेटमेंट इन फेवर ऑफ इंडिया. Every country in the world which matters has stood with India. This is the diplomatic strength that has